Got some new keycaps because these are by Keys full metal keycaps. Check this out, guys. Isn't that sick? But I did want to replace the keycaps from this Guava Star keyboard that just got out. I think it would be really awesome. Switch out these keys for the metal keycaps. They are fully metal, but I can see it's almost like a titanium color look. So you can see here are all the keycaps and also the second set. They don't feel so heavy, but just I'm assuming these are anodized and also lasered numbers of the letters onto the keycaps. But at the same time, these things are sick, dude. Like the quality's pretty amazing. You see what this sounds like. Gotta put it in the space bar. From Keys and a Guava Star keyboard. This is what it will look like. A full set metal key set with the Guava Star smoke acrylic. I mean, look at this. This thing is sick.